The Death & Company Mai Tai. Let's try making it. The Mai Tai is up there with one of my favorite drinks, and I've been drinking it all summer long, and I wanted to try the Death & Company version, which is one of my favorite bars. The Mai Tai is pretty straightforward. It's lime, 2 kinds of rum, a orange liqueur, and Orgeat Syrup, which is like an almond simple syrup. We have all the ingredients here. Everything can pretty much be purchased at a store. There are some Orgeat syrups that you can buy. I have found most of the ones that I've gotten online, but I have found that they are not as good as making it at home. This recipe is pretty simple. I will show you how to do it, and the flavor is just a lot better than anything you can buy, so I would definitely encourage you to make it, but if not, you can always buy it from a store. Okay, so first we're going to make our Orgeat syrup. I would recommend making this earlier in the day if you're planning to make a Mai Tai day of, because it will need time to cool in the fridge once we're done. We'll start by making an almond milk, putting a cup of sliced blanched almonds into a pan and toasting them on a medium-low heat. You want to be sure to use almonds that have the skin removed. It will affect the flavor of the final product. Once those are mostly golden brown, we'll transfer them over to a blender, making sure to slightly spill some of them off the side before adding 2 cups and 2 tablespoons of filtered water and blending for a couple minutes until smooth and milky. We're going to take that and filter through cheesecloth, or I have here a nut milk bag, to get out all the liquid and leaving us with basically just almond milk. You can use this like anything you would buy at the store, but we're going to use 12 ounces and add this back into the pan with 2 cups of sugar. Set the heat back to medium-low and stir until the sugar dissolves without bringing it to a simmer like I did here. Then we'll add 2.5 tablespoons of Cognac, 2.5 tablespoons of Amaretto, and 1/4 tablespoon of rose water. You can find this in your Middle Eastern food section of your grocery store. Stir that all up and transfer to a bottle to chill in the fridge. You can trust me that I got the whole thing in a bottle without spilling, because here's a victory dance. Now it's time to assemble our cocktail. You'll need to slice a lime and squeeze 1 slice of that into a cocktail shaker and throw that bad boy in there. Give it 1 dash of Angostura bitters, and then we'll add 3/4 ounces of our homemade Orgeat syrup. Add 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Make sure it's freshly squeezed. It's crucial to the overall flavor. And we'll add our orange liqueur. This is a Rhum Agricole base, and you know what? Let's add 1/4 ounce of Rhum Agricole. This is going to make it just a tad more boozy and raise that rum flavor. Speaking of rum flavor, it's time to add our 2 rums. Using 1 ounce of each, first we'll start with Appleton Estate rum. This is our Jamaican rum. We'll toss that in, and then follow it with Dorado 15-year as our Demerara rum. You can sub these 2 types of rum out with other kinds, but try to aim for a lighter and darker rum. We'll add just a couple ice cubes and give this a quick shake. Strain into a glass with crushed ice, garnish with a mint sprig and a straw, and that's it. The Death & Company Mai Tai. All right, let us give this bad boy a try. Yeah, that's really good. It's a strong rum flavor because there's a lot of rum in it. That would do it. There is a really noticeable Orgeat flavor. Yeah, really good, strong, and flavorful. Hope you try this at home. If you don't have the exact ingredients, you can try it with a couple different types of rum. I would definitely recommend making your own Orgeat syrup. If you're feeling handy, make your own orange liqueur, and you have a really good cocktail that you can make pretty quickly at home. It seems like it's a lot, but it's really not. Give it a try, give it a taste, and enjoy.